Good morning, students. How are you? Today I am coming through to you through this small video to tell you that very soon we will have the online test, and on this online test mostly objective types of question will be asked. I don't know how many question will be asked, but you should be prepared for objective type of questions, and so all the long questions will be shortened, asked in the optional and multiple choice questions, and also the true false. And so uh, don't think that it is very easy, because all the long question will be made into small, and so it will be difficult if you don't know. And so today let us open, take your book. Yes, take your book, page number 5, page number 5 of SST, surely SST, and exercise you take A. Here it is, the question is, write T for true and F for false statement or the sentences. Number 1, human beings evolved about 6 million years ago. You see, and what is it? Is true or false? Is it true or false? I think you might have done it, so it is true. Ape, rats, and chimpanzees are considered to be the ancestors of human beings. This also, have you done? It is F. Homo erectus could walk over long distances. It is true. People who study fossils are known paleontologists. Okay, and what is the science that studies fossils? Okay, find out. Number 5, all modern human beings belong to the species of Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens, true. Okay, now one more question is there here. What is the common name for the all the Homo sapiens? Okay, so that you find it out. Next question is number B, fill in the blanks. See, here it is fill in the blanks. There you not have fill in the blanks in the question. You may have the optional questions, multiple choice questions. Okay, so number 1, dash had both human and ape like features. Here it is which age the of people of the early humans, that they are Australopithecus. They were like humans as well as ape. Next one, number 2, the study of fossils is called paleontology, and people, those who study fossils, are okay. Number 3, fossils and bones were the main sources of evidence that helped to trace the evolution of human beings. So fossils. Number 4, dash is the general name for all early human beings. All early humans, they are hominids. Number 5, the early humans painted on the rocks. No, it is cave walls. Okay, clarified. Shall we go further? Yes, we will go further. Complete the mindset. Complete the mindset. Here, some stages of human evolution. All the four human evolution, the four ages or four ages of human evolution you have to write. Okay. Next one is number D. What is evolution? Okay. What is human evolution? What is evolution and what is human evolution? I have discussed with you. Today I am not going to discuss again. You find out. List out the stages of human evolution. Stages of human evolution. How many stages are there? Four stages. Number 4. Write few lines on the life of the early humans. That means what were they? What type of life they were leading? Okay, they will be the part of the questions. Next one is the number 5. List the sources and evidence of human evolution. Either sources or evidences of human evolution. So these are the main questions that will be asked in different forms. So mainly I said objective types. Okay. Next one is the Stone Age. Next lesson is Stone Age. Now please take next lesson and the next lesson's exercise. Okay. So page number 13. Exercises. Number 1. Write T for true and F for false. The Stone Age has been further divided into 4 periods. It is true. During Paleolithic age, people led a settled life. Did they? Which period of human evolution age, early or prehistoric age, they lived a settled life? Find out. Next, number 3. Mesolithic people lived in caves and rocks, or they made the hut and lived. It is true. Number 4. Early humans burnt leaves with the sparks of fire. Yes, it is true. Number 5. Human beings learned to grow crops during the Mesolithic age. Is it Mesolithic age, Paleolithic age, or Chalcolithic age, or Neolithic age? It is false. Number B. F. Fill in the blanks. Now, number 1. Early humans used stones to make tools and weapons during the which age? Stone Age. Number B. Paleolithic sites have been found at Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh. Fishing became important during the Mesolithic age. And number 4. The small stone tools used during Mesolithic age are called microlithic. They were small but sharp, good, durable. Microlithic. Number 5. The Mesolithic age show the beginning of the farming and herding. Herding means they were keeping animals. Large amount of animal, cattle or sheep. They are taking them for grazing. That is called herding. Number C also is important here on page number 14. Number C. Solve the following crossword using the clue. Clue have been given. Now this will. So similarly some clues will be there and then you have to find out the correct one. Unless you know. From down. Number 1. Number 1 is, what is this? Number 1. Important Mesolithic sites have been found at this place. What is this? Dama. Number 2. Its discovery led to the development of human civilizations. Number 2. led to the development of human civilization? What is that? Is it the wheel? No, it's a fire. Number 4, the small tools used by Mesolithic age people. Just now we have said number 4 only. There, you see, Mesolithic, Microlithic. Number 3, after 4, number 3, it is across. Pit house were found here. It is where it is. JK, Jammu Kashmir. Where it is? It is Barjahum. It is Barjaham or Barjahum. Number 5. These people buried their dead along with their objects because they believed in life after death. So who? Neolithic age. Neolithic age. Next, all these are the question answer. Next, followed by the question answer. Next number is number E. Number E. Classification of the Stone Age. Please see this question also. All this. Okay. What are the classification of the Stone Age? And the give reason also is important. Please go through it. Soon I will be giving you the numbers for your login and registering. Okay, login and registering. So be ready for exam. Very soon we will have, maybe on Monday or Tuesday. So this evening you might get. Okay. So stay safe. Okay.